gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for
Hi guys, today I have another unit from the Outre Melted Hairline series, and this is Divine. I have the color 1B, and this is how the unit is looking on the model you all. And these are all the colors that the unit is available in. This is an ordinary wig, guys, with a comb at the back, adjustable strap, and it has an additional elastic band for extra security and two combs in the front. You have a lot of lace in the front to work with, but for the parting space, it's just a little parting. The texture of the wig is nice and soft. It does look shiny. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but you can get rid of that with some dry shampoo. And the unit is pre-plucked. It came with baby hair, but you can also go in and customize the wig to your own liking, guys. So don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect. You want to know how I do it? Pull the hair to the back in a ponytail and remove the hair from the lace. So when you're going to cut, the lace is out of the way. Then you go in and remove the excess lace if you have excess lace, guys. I like cutting my lace in 3 so it is easier for me to work with, and today I'll be using the Got to Be Instant Old Spray. I am using the tweezer to pluck the hairline a little, guys, but you all know this step is optional, but it's always nice, guys, for you to practice on these synthetic units so you have more experience when you're working with your more expensive natural hair units. And I am cutting the lace very close to the hairline. This gives the unit a more natural look. You all know what time it is, guys. It's time to add some toddler hair, but today, guys, I ain't going with nothing too dramatic, just a little swoop at the front and your girl is done. Now I'm adding the concealer to the parting space, and I like to go over with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, which makes the parting space looks more natural. I am adding a little mousse to the hair, you all.
Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories.
I love this wig. The only con, guys, it does look shiny, but you can get rid of that with your dry shampoo. Other than that, this is a perfect unit. I love how the lace melts in my skin. The baby hairs are nice and well laid, guys. You know, synthetic wigs, the baby hairs are sometimes hard to lay, but this laid perfectly, guys. Look at these baby hairs. You can tell me that this unit is a synthetic wig. It melts so perfectly with my scalp, guys. So if you like this wig, you all, the link is in the description. You can go and check it out, you all. Thank you for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
Perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no end, if no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies.